morning broke, but the news was midnight. Empty chair, and the mic still waiting. You had plans on your worn-out notebook. Now the pages feel like they're fading. You walked quiet, yet your words were thunder. Held this land like a child in your arms. Man of prayer in a world of anger. You chose truth over praise and applause. Ricky, we remember, even if your voice falls silent now. Enrico, si gentia, your footsteps still echo somehow. Vision in your eyes, kindness in your hand. Leader, brother, man of God, you still stand inside this land.